24-year-old Khanjarakpam Krishna Mohan from Assam has won the National Youth Award 2016 given by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Krishna Mohan is among 20 persons who have been selected for the coveted award. He has also bagged Sahitya Academy Yuba Puraskar Award 2017 and several other awards given by Sahitya Parishad. A Chinese national was arrested at Integrated Checkpost ICP More Technopole district yesterday. A correspondent reported that Feng Weifu, aged 40 years from Zhejiang, China, was arrested by the officials as he did not possess passport and protected area permit. He will be produced before a local court at More, which borders Myanmar. Manipur Rifles Male 2016 batch selected candidates staged a sit-in demonstration at the Kaisampat Lemajamlaikai Community Hall in Imphal today, decrying the Manipur government for withholding appointment letters for a long time. They threatened to impose a state total shutdown if the government does not fulfill their demands at the earliest. The 46-47 annual prize distribution function of Board of Secondary Education Manipur and Incentive Award ceremony for the year 2018-19 under Department of Education S. Manipur was held today at the City Convention Centre in Imphal. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam attended the event as chief guest and president respectively. Heavy rain and flood have thrown life out of gear in the entire district of Dhubri in Assam. As per a report, over 10 lakh people have been affected by the overflowing mighty Brahmaputra in the region. Low-lying areas of the district were already facing a flood-like situation with incessant rainfall and high rise in water level in Brahmaputra and its tributaries since last couple of weeks, while 2 people have so far been reported dead. 2 persons were reported dead in South Tripura and Dhalai districts and 6 sustained injuries after incessant rainfall in the past 48 hours led to flooding across the state. 4 houses were also reported to be damaged due to floods. Meanwhile, over 10,000 people were shifted to 30 relief camps across the state. Rajiv Gandhi University Vice Chancellor Professor Saket Kushwaha promised to set up an MA Entrance Examination Center at Donji Polo Government College, Kamki in West Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh soon. The assurance from the Vice Chancellor came after a delegation of Galo Students' Union called on Professor Kushwaha at his office at Rono Hills and submitted a representation regarding the same. The Delhi Police Special Cell today arrested an alleged Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist from Srinagar. A reward of ₹2 lakh was announced after his arrest, according to a report. Deputy Commissioner of Police Special Cell Sanjeev Kumar Yadav said that the man identified as Basir Ahmed was wanted in a case by the Special Cell. Pakistan opened its airspace for all civilian traffic today, effectively removing the ban on Indian flights that were not allowed to use majority of its airspace since the Balakot airstrike in February, sources said. The move is expected to give a major relief to Air India, which suffered a huge financial loss of around ₹491 crore, as it had to reroute its various international flights due to the closure of Pakistan airspace. An undersea earthquake with a magnitude of 6.1 struck south of Indonesia's Bali today, according to the European Earthquake Monitoring Agency, causing some residents and visitors on the tourist island to briefly rush out of buildings. There were no immediate reports of casualties from the quake and there was no tsunami warnings issued by Hawaii-based Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu will reportedly travel to South Korea at the end of July to sign a multi-billion-dollar free trade agreement with Seoul. The agreement, however, will exclude Israeli settlement in the West Bank, East Jerusalem and Golan Heights, according to a report. In the past, Israel refused to sign trade agreements with territories under dispute.